Welcome back, guys, to another live trading session here on the S&P 500 E-mini futures. It's currently Thursday, October 30th, and the market's moving, and it's moving fast. So we got to follow it, see what it's going to do, see what kind of setups it can give us today. Every time the market's moving fast, I always get excited because I know it's a trending day. It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. I'm more of a seller than a buyer for whatever reason, but I'll take both, any day. You can see we started as a little spike here, and then it channeled. We had an overshoot of that channel, and we had this triple test here. Triple test and then reverse, and we're currently trending higher here. All right, so the market's moving very quick. Whenever it's moving quick like this, it's hard to make a decision sometimes. Like here, I was watching this, and then you have a new high here, first entry long, second entry long, and it failed. So that could have been a setup here that I could have taken. And then after that, we also have this two-legged move here. You can see the first leg, retracement, second leg, and then basically in a higher time frame, this is the second entry long here. That's another one, and if you don't like that one, there's a higher low here as well. The only thing that was keeping me from taking these trades is this resistance here. But they worked out. That's a nice trend working up, break, and a new high in place. So now we were working down now. Now we're working above again. That's crazy. All right, so here we go. We're gonna take this here. This is very strong here. It's a bigger risk here, so we're gonna go ahead and go for a little more. I'm tempted even to go here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and decrease our risk here. As soon as prices close very bullish like that, and prices break above it. There we go. So that's a failed second entry short. So this is a downtrend, but this is the first break, so we can correct uh, basically a stronger pullback here before we continue going lower. That's the reason I like it. See if we can push higher here. It's 3 points already, so I might just take that. You know what? I like it. I like this trade. We're gonna go ahead and get out of this with the point. Actually, 2 points there. And the reason is we may already have a break and a new high in place here. I don't like that bar. That signal bar is a little iffy. Let's see if we can get a higher low here. It looks like we might. It looks like we might get it here. All right, so we're in this trade. Beautiful trade, higher low setup. This is what we want to see here. Easy trade, easy 2 points here. I'm tempted to go higher here. You can see we had a micro trending up, and then we had the first break, and then you have a first entry long, and then you have a second entry long, and then a higher low confirmation here. As soon as prices broke above this bar here, that's a higher low setup. I didn't even wait for the bar to close, which is a little more advanced, but with time and practice, you can take those. I mean, we should have came back all the way to the support. We didn't, and we started pushing above the EMA again. So I was no longer looking for shorts. You can see this micro trend working down, break, and two legs to a new low. So that had played out. So if we start pushing back above, that should give you a clue that we're going to start a trend to the upside. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take this. See if it gives us a shot here. There we go. We're only going to go for 2 points here. So what I'm playing here is, this is looking like a range here. It looks like we overshot it, and potentially we can head back here to the EMA. We don't want to go further than that since this looks like a strong downtrend. So we only want a couple of points here because the trend is down here. But as you can see, that was a quick point. So I'm in this trade right now. I want you guys to check it out. We have a nice downtrend here with the break and then two legs as a retracement. So right now we're expecting a new low here. So I plan on taking my profits right here. You can see there's support there. So yeah, you guys can see I went on the higher low here. These are matching highs here. So this signal bar here is considered a higher low. Why? We have a new swing low here, lower than this swing low. So you would reset the count. You got a first entry short, second entry short. Oh, so it's actually a second entry short and a higher low here. So that makes it pretty strong. You can see we're making lower lows and lower highs. This is the highest point in the market. And then you got a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a lower high here. So this is a pretty nice trade here. These are the more confident ones that I usually take. I'm more confident to take these because the price action is very clear here. You can see this uptrend. Well, let's start with this strong downtrend here, break and a new low. So this had played out and then we reversed pretty strongly here. And then we had a break and a new high. You can see that it made a new high and then it reversed. So same thing. These patterns repeat themselves. So we're in and out. And that was a really nice trade here. I just want to show you guys that this is my One, two, three. I believe it's my fourth trade of the day. I usually don't trade that much, but whenever the market presents itself like this, very clear to me, like very, very clear, I go ahead and trade a little more because there's more opportunities. So tomorrow might be very rangy day or very hard day to trade. So I take advantage of these type of days. And that's it, man. Let's go ahead and call it a day. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.